Hey guys, Leslie with Majestic Party Rental here. I'm going to teach you this cool little setup that I thought about today. And I'm using my Sequin 12 by 12 panels from Portofino International. So we decided to collab with these guys, and so today we're using this. You do have to create an account in order for you to purchase from them, guys. Please visit their website. It's portofinointernational.com. Again, you don't want to fall asleep on these guys. I have contacted other companies. They are way overpriced. Portofino International has great, amazing prices. You want to check them out. Make sure to use Majestic at checkout, and you also get a 15% off. They are here in the City of Commerce, so you don't have to go too far. You can pick up and avoid any of the delivery fees, guys. So again, I'm going to show you. So what I did so far is I spray painted the top gold, since it's gold on here. So this is what it looks like so far. Okay. This is an old pillar. I have a full set of these, and I am going to glam them up with my 12 by 12 sequin from Portofino International. So check how easy this is, guys. Super easy.